Okay, here we have the 60s built one-off Iroko boat. She's called Iroko and she's made of wood, and if you look at how good she's finished, she is in excellent condition on the hull. She's been out of the water for some time, so she will need putting back into the water gently, but there's no sign of any rot. There's a tiny surface blemish here, but generally pretty sound. Just going to take you up to the top sides to have a little look. So again, these are the decks. So pretty solid. The boat's leaning slightly, so there are puddles where puddles have formed, which probably leak a little bit underneath. Top hatch pretty good. Obviously there's signs of where it will need freshening up and cleaning and sanding down, but generally pretty good. Sidewalks, again, very good. And then lovely at the back here. I'll go inside in just a second. Just sort of walking you around. That's the rudder, or tiller for the rudder there. And then we'll quickly have a look inside. Underneath there you've got the marinised Ford 1.8 litre diesel. Haven't done anything in here to tidy up yet, but she's solid in here. There's no, nothing of any major issue. As I say, the tops in the corners there leak a little bit. A little bit of leakage here and there, but on the whole, pretty good. Engine runs. I've had the engine started. Hadn't run for a long time, but it's still fired up quite nicely. She's engines under here. So again, nothing needs a good clean up, but still running at the moment.